Hello friends, my speaker arrived for repair. You can see the name on the screen. It arrived disassembled, and the owner tried to repair it himself. But he saw damage and doesn't know what to do. The speaker was caught in a bit of rain, and some water got on the top circuit board. Here's the full name of the speaker. Let's figure out what the problem is. I'll examine the circuit board under a microscope and look for water damage. I see water ingress, and there are two damaged capacitors. But the most interesting thing is near the LED. It's clearly very damaged, and that could be where the problem lies. Water got in here and under the gasket. I'm going to remove it now. I cleaned the board and also resoldered the damaged components with SMD. Let's see if that helped. As you can see, the speaker turned on. Unfortunately, I can't reassemble it because the owner has the screws. I'll check again now by connecting via Bluetooth. Well, friends, the speaker has been successfully tested and is working. We're handing it over to the owner. That's all. Cleaning and re-soldering the SMD components eliminated the short circuit or leak. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. Bye!